So let's talk about the Flawless 4 today. So there is 4 items that I feel are what gives you that flawless face that you're looking for. So the first thing that you want to put on your face in this 4 is our primer. And it does exactly what it says. It's your primer. It's just like the primer that you put on your walls. So you put primer on on your drywall before you put your paint. That's what holds everything in place. And so that's exactly what this primer is going to do for your makeup. You're putting it on your face, and that is going to be your base coat. That is going to hold so that your face does not absorb all of that makeup. So now when you use this primer, you need to apply it to your face and you need to allow it to dry for approximately 5 minutes. So go get a cup of coffee, curl your hair, blow dry your hair, whatever, and then come back to put it on. For the sake of this video, I've already put my primer on my face, and so that way we can go ahead and move on. So our next item of the Flawless 4 is our liquid concealer. All right, so this concealer covers up blemishes, which I'm going to go ahead and do right now. Covers up blemishes. It's great for highlighting. So if you want to cover up blemishes, you want to make sure that you're using the same color as your foundation. Okay, so I have put on Taffeta because that's what color I am using for to cover my blemishes. That's what color foundation I'm using. I'm going to turn around and use the color Organza because I want to put that underneath my eyes. So if you're wanting to add a little highlight under the eyes, you want to go about 1 or 2 shades lighter. You need just about a grain of rice. A little bit of this, you guys, goes a long way. If you buy the primer, you will have it for a very, very long time. So we're going to place that under our eyes. We're going to quickly use a damp. Okay, when I just say just a damp blending bud, and we're going to blend all that into our face. Here we go. Next to our combo, our 4 combo, is our Touch Minerals Liquid Foundation. First thing you want to do is make sure that all of the foundation is out of the dropper. So I'm just squeezing it back into the bottle. Then you're going to give it a nice good shake, shaking it all up. Okay. Then we are going to use our liquid foundation brush. And we are going to place 3 to 4 drops on that brush. And I just like to go and dab it all over my face. And then we are going to just blend, blend, blend. You will see that 3 to 4 drops of this foundation goes a long way. One, I'm using less makeup because I've applied my primer to my face. Okay, so we're blending that in. You can already see the coverage. You can see the spot from the blemish, but you can't see it. Okay, so we just have blended all of that into our face. The color foundation that I used is the color Taffeta. I could also do velour, but I'm using the Taffeta because my upper body is a little bit tanner now. I'm just taking this concealer powder brush and just kind of blending it farther into my neck, okay? You can also use the end of it if you want to blend in that concealer, okay? All right, and go ahead, you could throw on a little bit of blush, a little bit of bronzer. You've got yourself a really quick face. Okay, last one to our 4 combo. okay, or my favorite for nice face is our Behold Setting Spray. Okay, it comes in a spray. It also comes in a powder, so you can choose to use either one. You're gonna take the spray and you're gonna do 3 spritz down your face. Allow that to dry, and now your makeup is all completely set. These 4 items give you that complete, flawless face that we're all looking for.